Today we will show you how to remove and replace the defrost heater on this GE French door refrigerator.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
Symptoms of a faulty defrost heater would indicate only cooling in the freezer section or frost on the back evaporator cover.
Stop. Be sure to always disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage.
To begin the repair, we must first gain access to the rear panel. In order to do that, we must remove the door bins, To remove the door, there is one screw in each rail. Remove both of those screws. And then there is a tab that you press in. And at the same time, pulling on the whole door will disengage that roller and the whole slide will slide out. And then set your door off to the side. To remove your ice maker, take a small flat-bladed screwdriver, release the tabs on the electrical connector, one on the front and back side. Unplug your ice maker, and take a 1/4 inch nut driver and remove the 1/4 inch screw. And pull the ice maker towards you and set it aside. Remove the evaporator cover. You will first need to remove this rail so that the cover can clear the side of the housing. Remove the screw that holds the cover for your electrical connection. And then remove the 2 screws up in the corners on the cover. Pull on the cover and it should disengage. And then you can set it off to the side. To remove your defrost heater, you want to first start by removing the screws that hold in your evaporator. Now that you have your evaporator loose, you can rotate it out. Push the tabs that hold the heaters in place out of the way, and your heater will slide right out the bracket. Unplug your electrical connections, being careful not to break your glass. Then take your heater and set it aside. Take your new defrost heater, plug in your electrical connection, and then slide the bracket back in onto the heater. Fold over your locking tab. And then slide your evaporator back in place. Now you want to install your screws. But leave them slightly loose so that you can move your evaporator around. Now push your evaporator down so it's sitting back in the same position when you took it apart. And now you can tighten up your screws. Make sure you've got all your wires tucked in. And now we are ready to install the evaporator cover. To install your cover, start by sliding the left side in first and rotating it to the right side. Once you have your cover pushed in, install the 2 screws that hold the cover on. Install your electrical connector and then the cover that goes over the connector. And now we can install the plastic housing for the rail. To install the cover for the rail, slide it in place and install your 2 screws. To install your ice maker, slide it back into the bracket, install your 1/4-inch screw, and then plug it in, and now we can install the doors. To install the door, slide the rails into the brackets. And to make sure that they're clipped in all the way, you want to push on the rail until you hear that click. Now you can install your 2 screws. All your bins, they just drop into place. Starting with the lower bin first. And then the top bin slides right into the track. And your repair is complete. Thanks for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel.